I looked out at cabin. He's in water. I'd have to dive in for him. Junior, let it fart. It's on a red robin, that. Don't pull it so hard, Junior. Let it fart. Put it to the side. So you don't reel it. Stop pulling it, Junior, like that. Yeah, you can pay 15 quid for bivvy if you want as well. Yeah, 15 quid for a bivvy, but you can get takeaways delivered there and that. Last time I went, because my missus, her mum and dad's known them for years and they're good mates with her grandma and that. Do you know, there's like a top cabin where someone lived at one point, two people. And he said, because there's no cabins free, you can have that for night. We had everything in there, it was mint. I spent about 200 quid that weekend, like. Yeah. So you stop messing, like, I do it how I showed you. Properly.
Andy, hold the rod. Hold rod.
You
down.
hold it.
No, we need Matt. Matt. Yeah, get that.
Get him out.
Nice fish.
Junior just got one.
Unhook it.
Unhook it, mate.
Where's it hooked in its mouth, you mong? Let me to unhook it for you.
Leave him to do it. Just red robin. But I've got fucking. You won't believe what I've got.
Yeah, that's great.
Honestly.
Can I hold it? Can I hold it then?
You won't believe